Did you know that choosing the right sunscreen can help prevent premature aging and decrease the risk of skin cancer? In this video, you're going to learn how to understand and utilize sunscreen effectively. We're going to break down everything you need to protect your skin and stay safe under the sun. First up, what is sunscreen? Well, it's your best friend under the sun. Sunscreen essentially acts as a shield against the harmful UV rays from the sun. It can protect against sunburns, but also against long-term damage. And there are two types of sunscreen. One is chemical sunscreens work by absorbing the UV rays, and physical work by reflecting them away. Let's demystify SPF, which stands for sun protection factor. This number tells you how much solar energy the skin can absorb before it is burned with it versus without it. And so it's not necessarily a number of times. A common misconception is that SPF 15 times means that you can go 15 times longer with SPF before you burn as opposed to without it. And it's more accurate to say that is the solar energy. And so part of that depends. Solar energy is impacted not just by the sun itself, but the time of day, the latitude, and your skin type. SPF 30 will block 98% of the UVB rays, and that is the minimum SPF you should be looking for. SPF 50 will block 98%. Higher SPF are not necessarily that much more benefit. How do you choose the right sunscreen? Choosing the right sunscreen is not a one-size-fits-all. You need to consider your skin type, activities you're doing, how much time you're going to spend outside. Now, if you have sensitive skin, you might want to lean towards a mineral-based or physical-based sunscreen. Now, if you're outdoors a lot or if you swim, a water-resistant sunscreen is definitely going to work better for you. And also, you want to choose one that is broad spectrum, meaning that it also blocks UVA rays. This SPF rating is for UV, but the UVA rays are important as well. Application. This is something that often people can get wrong. And so you want to apply it 30 minutes before you're going to have sun exposure. You definitely want to use an abundance of sunscreen, really work it in there. You want to cover all exposed skin. And a common misstep is not applying every 2 to 4 hours or not applying after swimming, sweating, or getting wet in general. Common mistakes with sunscreen. One common error is utilizing expired sunscreen will not work as effectively. Another mistake we often make is skipping sunscreen on cloudy days. Those UV rays can get through clouds. You can still get sunburned even on a cloudy day. And also on a cloudy day, you're still getting those UV rays, which again can be damaging to the skin. It is crucial that you wear sunscreen even on cloudy days or regardless of the weather. Beyond protecting your skin from the sun and sunburns and skin cancer, it is really great for anti-aging. Photo aging is one of the biggest things that ages our skin. Sunscreen is definitely helpful for that, and it will help prevent wrinkles, fine lines, and that leathery skin that we really want to avoid. Start using it early, and this will help maintain a youthful, healthy skin as you age. If you have any questions, please comment below. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Otherwise, check out this video on anti-aging and skin.